In this video, we'll show you how to place an offer on Daily Grain Marketplace. From the Daily Grain dashboard, click on the Marketplace tab. You can place an offer from any one of the sub-tabs. For example, you might want to check market analytics before placing your offer. Ensure the filters are set correctly so you can see the right information. Once you are ready to place an offer, ensure you have the correct market selected, then click Place Offer. Ensure the correct grower number, then click Next Step. Fill out the season, port, commodity, and grade fields based on the offer details. These fields will be pre-filled with what you have available. If you wish to set a deferred payment, select the checkbox. Your available grain will be displayed. Select the price per ton and select the expiration, which is how long the offer will be available for. Then click Next Step. Your load allocation will be displayed. Using the checkboxes on the right side, select which loads will be allocated for the offer. For wheat, if you have completed quality optimization, the checkbox will be ticked. Your total allocated tons will be displayed. Click Next Step. Select the allowed buyers by clicking the checkbox in the Allow column. You can click the conditions icon to view conditions for specific buyers, or click Allow All to select all buyers. Then click Next Step. A summary of your offer will be displayed. Confirm that all details are correct and tick the Terms and Condition box, then click Place Offer. Your offer will be submitted and you'll be taken back to the Overview page where you can see your offer. Just ensure the filters you select are correct. When buyers are wanting to buy your grain, their bid must be the full volume or greater than the volume of your offer. And that's it. How to place an offer on the Daily Grain platform.